What's up, YouTube? I'm TMac and this is JMAC. Today we're going to be fixing the CRF150r. Welcome back, YouTube, and I'm here with JMAC. Hey, I'm JMAC, and I'm 8 years old. Let's fix this. Next up, grab your factory container, 8mm, and drain the coolant. Next, we have to take off the guard, which is 10mm. Then we have to take off the Kickstarter, which is a 12mm. Next up, let's take a brake off. It's an 8mm Allen. Let's get the brake out of the way. Grab your 8mm and get all the bolts on the outside. We got all the bolts off of the cover. Now let's take the cover off. Whoa, it smells like Kentucky Fried Chicken in here. It must be fried. Now we got the cover off. Grab your 10mm and take the 4 bolts off. Now, since we got everything out, we can take the clutch plates out. I can already smell it's fried. Well, let's take a look. Anyways, we have a whole new setup. The friction disc has been soaked for a couple hours. Now let's put them in. The order goes friction, steel, friction. Next step, to put your cover on, then your springs, then make sure you lock tight your bolts. Let's do this now. We're going to put the bolts back in. Make sure you don't strip them. Time to put the cover back on. Let's put the brake back on. Well, that's done. Now it's time to put the Kickstarter back on. Oh, we're wrapping it up, and we have a few more things to do. And we're gonna fill it up with oil. Time to take the oil filled bowl out. We're going to pour oil into the motor until it comes out of a little weep hole. That's how you know it's filled. Now we know it's done. Time to put coolant in the bike. Where are you been at? Hey, I need my beauty rest. Once again, I would like to thank JMAC for getting my baby running. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Stay classy, YouTube.